for this. Now! Let go of me! Keep your eyes on the road!
Are you still doing
Fine,
that?
with me!
Why did you do that?
You're hard to explain right now! Watch out!
Are you okay?
Did you have to move? David, the 6 o'clock. 9 o'clock above. Where's the other? Coco's got it!
You're no reporter. Who are you?
Well, I have two identities. I'm the president of a non-profit international foundation of relics, medals, and paintings.
What's that? I've never heard of that before.
You know every organization in the world?
What about the head?
Give back to Chinese government.
Okay.
Avait une réputation impeccable. Quant à ces cassettes qu'on a visionnées, c'est complètement on y voit rien. Cet homme a les documents officiels de la douane. Et quant à votre témoin, elle n'a rien vu au château.
Non, mais la dernière fois que j'étais chez moi, j'avais 3 ans. Pourquoi je me souviens?
C'est de vous. Mademoiselle, on va garder votre statut pendant 2 semaines. Si personne ne la réclame d'ici là, vous pouvez la récupérer. Si ces messieurs vous importunent, vous en faites pas. Prévenez-nous. En attendant, vous pouvez y aller.
Non, mais c'est pas vrai.
Tenez-vous.
Ils ont volé les statuettes.
Quant à vous, vous avez votre souci.
Hey, how's it going?
Yeah, it went well. And now that we have, I still want to thank this honest and beautiful citizen of France.
You're welcome. All I do is tell the truth. My name is Catherine. You seem very interested in those false hairs. I have something in my house you might be interested in. Well, think about it. Vous pouvez y aller, vous. Ça te change. I always wanted to see it. Welcome. I'm sorry. There are some routine security measures here. The bank has taken possession of everything. Nothing about you is permitted to be taken out.
It's okay. Beautiful castle.
Please, follow me.
On y va.
Because our family went bankrupt in a financial crisis.
Well, still nice to be able to live here.
Thank you.
Your ancestors may have been the last people to see these beautiful creatures.
Yes, I know what you mean. Things are only treasured by people after they have disappeared.
Yeah, you're right. Rooster?
It's the reason I invited you here.
Is that real?
It's been here since I was born.
What did she say?
She said beautiful staircase.
Oh, thank you. This is my great-great-grandfather, her grandfather. Years ago, he came back from overseas. Later, his son, my grandma's father, put together an expedition and went to sea in search of the ship Indestructible. But he never returned. He just disappeared mysteriously. I've heard you have the animal's heads. Maybe you could have some clues about my great-grandfather.
Così prende 100 milioni della pressa. Colk installe un système de sécurité plein de travaux, je me suis dit, c'est ma faute peut-être. Je vous jure que si vous ne me la rappelez pas, je vous fais massacrer.
Oh, it's about the house I had when I was a child. Oh, and my great-great-grandfather had this painting after his return from overseas. It's a view he saw after his ship was damaged. Why don't you look around? I'll go get some tea.
Thank you. Okay. How can we steal it? It's easy. We stay 2 days, still need data. Can't. We need a mobile telephone. But we need data. Professor Guang has that. Ask him. Don't use the worst steward for her, or she won't help us. What do you want to do?
Look, guys! It's Casamigos Emperor Tumbles out of hut!
Is that animal?
The one takes the body board.
That's my grandma's Chinese point is priceless.
So this painting does exist.
Was it destroyed already?
In 1860, my great-great-grandfather sailed to China on the ship called Indestructible and wrote a great victory. This was one of his puzzles.